Manja public derive of drinking water supply in spite presence of PHE water supply scheme. Hanjang Langso youth extend help to a poor widow. Tetanus vaccinations campaign at Lengriti Estate. KSA visit Borlangpher rape victim. Borlangpher extended help for bridge constructions in Longrum Hanse village. Good morning, viewers. Myself, Malin Timungpi, brings you today's news updates. The public of Manja, located 16 kilometers from Dipu, the district headquarters, is derived of drinking water supply in spite of having a water supply scheme under the Public Health Engineering Department at Honsingrongpi village near Manja Primary Health Center for almost 40 years. The local public have told this reporter that they haven't been able to drink even a drop of water supplied by the PHE department in Manja till date, blaming the consecutive government in the district for its failure to work for the welfare of the people of the area. The locals have alleged that all political parties' promises of carrying out several developmental activities before the elections, but they do not remember even a single one after coming to power. Now the public of Manja has requested the current BJP government in the district, who have been claiming to have brought Parivartan or change in the district, and Team Karbianglong led by CM Tuliram Ronghang, to revive the defunct water supply scheme of Manja at the earliest so that they can avail supply water facilities. Rajesh Hanse from Manja for 265 News India. In a humanitarian gesture, youths of Hanjang Langso area extended help to a poor widow and mother of one in Sodar Timung village in Hanjang Langso on Thursday. Like-minded youths of Hanjang Langso, Sarthi Fast Food Corner, Karbi Youths of Honor, Hanjang Langso Online Service Point, Karbi Barbers, Hanjang Langso Car Wash, and Karbi Daily News reporters from Hanjang Langso area jointly carried out the noble gesture. The widow survives on begging and also look after the daughter and her studies with her begging. The youths gave rice, clothes, copies, pencil, erasers, and some cash to the poor widow and her daughter. Expressing immense happiness and gratitude to the youth, things began to get worse after her husband died and got worse with passing time. She has expressed hope that more like-minded individuals will come forward and extend help to her and her daughter in the coming days. Local public have appreciated the youths for the noble gesture. The youth said that they will be carrying out similar initiative in the future. The Karbi Student Association's Borlangpher branch visited the Borlangpher rape victim at a residence on Thursday. The accused Utpal Muzumdar, who committed the heinous crime on December 6, is currently under the custody of Borlangpher police. The victim, a widow, is severely traumatized after the incident. The student body led by its Borlangpher branch president Sanjay Phangchu, General Secretary Mongol Singh Tirang visited the victim at her residence and extended help to her. The student body further assured her of all possible assistance. Any individuals or group willing to extend any kind of help are requested to approach KSA Borlangpher branch. A tetanus vaccination campaign was carried out at Lengriti Estate located on Karbi Anglong and Nagaland border on Thursday. Children from 10 to 16 years were vaccinated and given certificate. The vaccinations campaign was carried out by Dr. Chakrabarti, ANM Minali Maj, Borlangri Subcenter, Lengriti Estate Asa, Kasen Ronghangpi, Khanbasti Asa Ompu Ronghangpi, and pharmacies. Borlangpher extended help for bridge constructions in Longrum Hanse village. The Agrum River flows through Chekso Longrum Hanse village in Nilip MSC constituency. However, there is no permanent nor temporary bridge over the river and villagers usually wade through the water to cross. This has resulted in severe difficulties for the villagers and some has even drowned, say the Gaonpura Kangbura Hanse. On hearing the communication woes of the villagers, BJP EKADC Economics Health convener Borlangpher visited the village and extended financial help for constructions of a bamboo bridge over the river. Rongpher also assured the villagers that he will assist the villagers in getting a permanent bridge over the bridge from the government. Koilamati Development Committee General Secretary Modan Kathar, Kasumari Polling Center President Philip Terang and villagers were present on the occasion. The villagers have expressed happiness at the constructions of the bridge and thanked Borlangpher for the noble gesture. Moses Teron from Nilip for 365 News, India. Adieu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.